Alright, we are going to work on dividing decimals. Now, when you're dividing decimals, it's like multiplication. You can just do your division and worry about the decimals later. Or you can worry about the decimals right off the bat. But you don't have to line them up like you do with addition or subtraction. So the first thing, we look at the number outside our house. And I need to move that decimal over. So I'm going to get rid of it right here. I'm going to move it to the end. Boom. Okay. And I move that number, that decimal, one place. So I go inside the house, and I have to move that decimal one place too. Okay, so for every amount that I move the decimal to the right outside, I have to move it inside as well. So I'm going to get rid of it right here and move it over to the outside. Boom. Okay. Now I can just continue to divide like I normally would. Okay, I know how to divide 2,256 divided by 24. So I know that it's going to 24 won't go into 22, but 24 will go into 225 9 times. Okay. And when I go 9 times 24, I know it's going to be 216. So as you see, I'm going to subtract. And I'm going to get 9. Well, this 6 has to come down. Okay? So now I have 96. And 24 can go into 96 4 times. 4 times 24 is, guess what? 96. So 96 minus 96 is 0. Well, now look at this decimal right here. See how I moved it over to the right one, I moved it over to the right again. Well, then my answer has to go, or my decimal has to go straight up to here. So you'll see that, oops, the wrong one. It's just 94 point, okay? I could easily go 94.0. So my answer is just 94. Okay, so remember, I look outside the house, I move that decimal over, and as many places as I move it over to the right to get to the end of the number, I have to move it inside the house to the right as well. Then I move that decimal up to the top, and I divide like I normally divide. So dividing decimals is like multiplying decimals. We divide the numbers the same way, then we move the decimal over and the same amount inside and outside of the house. Okay? All right.